Converting PDF to Word is a practical function at the workplace or school. WPS allows us to convert documents, including PDF to Word. First, click the Tools button. Next, go to the File tab and choose PDF to Doc. Third, set the source language as English and click Continue to start the conversion. In the Committing pop-up, we can check the Notify Me when completed option. Then WPS will convert the document in the background while we look through other documents. As we can see, the converted document will open after export. For more functions of Office Suite, please download WPS Office for PC.